The Beast, tough shot, no good.
There it is.
Bird tips it in.
You can things that he was able to do here in this game.
But look at how high Bird got
That's right.
there. Trying to back down Big Bo, spins, draws the foul. Oh, Lee with it, attacking. Nice pass to Sangala with a finger roll. Bird will attack. Bird, the fadeaway jumper
Of basketball, but let's look at this one more time. Going baseline, going airborne.
Seconds on the shot clock. Bird! It's a tough shot at the shot clock. They are struggling, and it's showing on the offensive end. And Bird skies for the one-handed hammer.
Gosh, let's look at this one more time. Then there he is, going airborne for the big slam. Jabari Bird.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane?
It's Jabari.